Alrighty everybody, that wraps the video. Can we get this video to 50 likes? Yes we can, so smash the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out every time there's a video. Also comment with a drawing, don't forget to comment because I reply back to every single comment. Here's Jogo from Jujutsu Kaisen. Hopefully you enjoyed as much as I did. I really like Jogo's character design, so I decided to draw him. I know I'm a little late on drawing Jogo, but hopefully you enjoyed as much as I did. And if you want to see more JJK drawings, let me know by smashing the like button. I'm going to leave some drawing playlist in the description, which I highly recommend that you check out because I'm sure you'll find some characters that I've drawn before that you really like, so make sure to check it out since we in the description. And I also have a drawing playlist here for Jujutsu Kaisen, so check it out. But yeah, everybody, hopefully you all enjoyed. Make sure to stay safe. And I'll talk to everybody. Peace.